We are about to do an unboxing on the Tab M10 FHD Plus. Alright. And Lenovo. This is an unboxing. I am super Alvin. I told y'all when I was coming back. And when I come back, it's going to be big time. This is an unboxing video. Y'all give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Alright. So the package looks like this. Nice looking box, I shall say. Premier metal design, 10.3 inches full HD, powerful optical chip, 8 megapixels for the rear, 5 megapixels for the back front camera. Wow, this is it's a portable tablet computer. That's what it says on the back. Portable tablet computer. Alright, open the bag for you. So they got little stickers in right there. I could have easily dropped this from the box like that. Let's see. It's very light. It's very light. Look how thin it is. That's why I ordered a cover for it, because it's really light. It doesn't have the standard USB cable. Okay. That's very interesting right there. It has, I wonder if I canceled that order. I probably could cancel it because it hasn't shipped it yet, so yeah. I think I got the wrong one. Yeah, this is not the standard one. That's not the standard USB. The menu, the lenovo. You got the pen in the box. And that's it. You get this. You get the tablet, manual. And that's it. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Super Alvin TV. I'll see you.